Kahoʻolawe is part of our ʻāina and one of our really sacred sites because of the connection with Voyaging, for one, Kealikahiki, the channel, and Kealikahiki, the point. So whether it means the pathway to Tahiti or the pathway from Tahiti, the island Kahoʻolawe is like the pico of our main Hawaiian Islands between Hawaii and Niihau, where latitude-wise it's at the center, which makes it a great spot for navigators to train. The Wa'aʻohana made a commitment to continue this relationship and connection to that island and use it as a school for navigation. So for many reasons, actually, it was really important that we do bring the canoes back to Kahoʻolawe.
Pu'umo'oli'iki is the second highest spot on the island, and the traditions tell us that that was a place of the navigation training. They would study the stars, have access to the elements around them. They could see 5 islands around them, the currents, the channels, and that's where the early stages of training for navigators took place. So it's very important that the navigators, that folks that are, the ohana wa'a, folks that are connected to the Voyaging canoes, have a chance to learn some of the mo'olelo and come up to mo'oli'iki and really feel what that's all about.
For me, my first time here, well, I come to the site as a student. This is something that I always wanted to do. You know, kind of like on bucket list, yeah. I'm glad I'm able to witness for myself and sit here and feel the spirit. Yeah, it's been awesome.
Kealikahiki means the pathway to Kahiki, or to our southern homeland. And the channel is Kealikahiki, the point is Kealikahiki, and the whole ili of this island shares the same name. There's evidence that there was a star compass there. You have to be familiar with the elements on the water at sea level. And so that vantage point at Kealikahiki, where you have due north, you have due south, you can line them up with the rocks.
Right next to the site is everything that happened, whatever, in the past. But the site is still there. That's what I bring home from my experiences. The site is still there. You know, sometimes you look at great things and they're really measured by their ability to survive through time. So time is always usually the test.